Welcome back to the channel. Safely dealing with electrical equipment that has been affected by flooding or severe water ingress on a ship. Water and electricity create an immediate, extreme hazard, the risk of electrocution, fire, and extensive equipment damage. Safety must always be the first priority. The first and most vital step is isolation of power. Before approaching the flooded area or the equipment, the power supply must be secured. Immediately trip the main circuit breaker feeding that section of the ship's electrical system, or trip the breaker specific to the submerged equipment. Use a lockout, tag-out procedure to ensure the power cannot be accidentally restored while the area is unsafe. The second step is personnel safety assessment. Once the power is confirmed isolated, assess the risk. Do not allow personnel to stand in water, even if the power is supposedly off, until the source of flooding is controlled. Only personnel wearing appropriate safety gear, including insulating rubber gloves and boots, should enter the area. If the water contains contaminants like oil or chemicals, additional PPE is necessary. The third step is water removal and initial cleanup. Prioritize stopping the source of water ingress. Use pumps, adductors, and mops to remove the water until the affected equipment is no longer submerged. Ventilate the area thoroughly to remove any potentially hazardous fumes or moisture-laden air. The fourth step is equipment assessment and reporting. Once the water is removed, a qualified electrical engineer must assess the damage. Do not attempt to operate, switch on, or dry the equipment with compressed air or rags. Water damage is often hidden. Segregate the damaged equipment. The condition should be clearly tagged. Water damaged, do not energize. Record the incident details, including the depth of the water, the time of ingress, and the nature of the equipment affected. The fifth step is drying and cleaning. For critical or high-voltage equipment like motors or switchgear, cleaning must be done using specialized non-residue cleaning agents. The equipment must then be dried completely. Industrial dehumidifiers and warm air circulation should be used to remove internal moisture. Insulation resistance tests, or Megger tests, must be performed on all windings and circuits. The insulation resistance values must be well within acceptable limits before any attempt is made to restore power. The final step is recommissioning. Power must be restored incrementally, beginning with low-voltage tests. Closely monitor the equipment for any signs of arcing, heat, or abnormal operation. Only when all tests are satisfactory and the engineer is certain of the equipment's integrity can the system be returned to normal service. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.